Welcome, friends. Today's recipe is about making your rice a salad. Have you tried it? For me, this is my first time, and oh, when I tasted it, it's very yummy. Promise. This is what we call Italian salad. So, these are the ingredients that I prepared. By the way, the ingredients are written on the more information on the description. You can check it out there. So in this video, I am showing you the process on how to do it. So preparation of the spices, make all of them small, uniform in size, because the grains of the rice are small. So we are going to make our spices small too. So that's it. We have the carrots also, but some of them, especially carrots and cucumber, I form round design because I intended to make a decoration of the food. There is the arts here and the food presentation, so I also made some like design of the vegetables. That is the cheese. So included in the salad is the cheese with the raisins. You can use apple if you have apple. What I am using here is the longganisa, but you can use ham or chicken according to your choice. So the rice that I am using here is the basmati rice. Why? Basmati rice is very nice. It has long grains. So any rice that has long grains, that's better. And when you cook it, it's not hard. It easily separates. It's not sticking to one another. But I added olive oil to make sure that the rice will not stick. Rice should be scattered or separated when mixed with other ingredients. So that's the cucumber, and the purpose for that is for the garnishing of the food. So with this kind of food, this is very presentable. You can make this during your special celebration or event, or even in your restaurant. For more improvements of garnishing, if you have more knowledge, you can modify it. It's according to your own skill. So these are the prepared ingredients: the cheese, the onions, tomatoes, spring onions, and carrots, and the raisins with the basmati rice. Okay, that's the basmati rice. So see, very long grains. That's the corn tuna. I included that. That will give a taste. By the way, don't add any salt to your rice salad because tuna and longganisa will give taste with a little sweetness from raisins. As I said, you can use apple and raisins if you wish to. So that rice has a black pepper on it with olive oil on it, so that it will be very easy to mix. So that recipe is good for 1 or 2 persons. It depends on the way you consume food. So all you have to do is mix all the sliced spices. No need to cook. What you're going to cook is only the rice. Then add the longganisa, and then add the corn tuna. I only put 1 spoon because the rice is just a minimal Actually, that's only for my food, for my consumption. So I made a little. But it looks very, high in quantity. So I wasn't able to finish them all. That's why I said it's good for two persons. So that's the decoration. What's important of decoration? So it shows your professionalism, your knowledge in preparing food, and of course, it invites people to like your food. It means you care a lot because you make a design on it. And of course, guys, we have there the boiled egg. In some recipe, they have to mix the boiled egg with the rice, but for me, I did not do that because the eggs will be damaged. So boiled egg can be easily be separated from the white, especially the yellow. So I make it on the sides only. So that's it. Now it's ready. I hope you like that. If you like it, promise that's very tasty, very delicious. And of course, that is the rice with protein and with